Okay, welcome back everybody. This is kind of a new thing for me, but we're making bacon today. So we're gonna start off with the cure because it's gonna take a couple of days. I think it's about a week that this cure needs to sit on your pork belly so we can make it perfect. For the recipe for the cure, I'll leave it in the description below. And yeah, let's get to it. So we've got paprika, so we're just gonna throw that in there. Black pepper, some brown sugar, kosher salt, and then we have, for our curing salt, we have Himalaya pink salt, which is pretty cool. So now we've got that, we're gonna mix that all together. Pick up any of these little clumps that you see in here from the brown sugar. Alright, so cure. Now I'm going to take this pork butt, or sorry, not pork butt, the pork belly. I'm going to unwrap it. And I have done this once before, and it makes probably the best bacon you'll ever taste in your entire life. Okay, so part of the wrapping is undone. So drop a glove so that now just kind of rub this in, sort of like we did with the pork butt. Just want to make sure it's fully coated. And it doesn't really matter which side you start with, because both sides are obviously going to get covered. But you just want to make sure it gets nice and finely rubbed in. If I remember correctly, pork butts are pretty cheap too. So, nice cheaper way to make bacon. And you know it's going to be delicious. Nice and covered up now. So, we're going to throw this in a bag, put it in the fridge, let it sit, and we'll be back when it's ready. Alright everybody, we're back and ready to put the bacon on the smoker. So it's been sitting in the fridge for about 2 weeks, and it's going to go on at 200 for about 2 hours. We're looking for an internal temperature of 150, and then we'll pull it. We've got a mix of oak and then apple wood chips, which are soaked. And yeah, let's get to it. This side? Anyway. Okay. I don't know if there was like a special way.
Last time was my first time.
And there it is, and we'll get back to you in about 2 hours. So I almost forgot, we gotta put some chips on. Got a nice big handful here. And now we are actually ready to go. So we'll check back in a little bit. All right.
Ready?
Yep. All right, so it's been temped. We're ready to go. It is not complete though. So yes, we're gonna pull it off, but now it can go sit in the fridge and you can fry it up in a pan whenever you're ready. I'm going to do that now, and I'll show you a video of what it looks like when it's done. But yeah, so let's get to that. Yeah, that's fine. All right, everybody, let's recap. Bacon video ended a little late. It took a little bit longer than we expected. It ended up being about 3 hours when it should have really been 2. That's more of my fault. But it turned out fantastic either way. I'll leave the cure in the description. I think I said that in the beginning of the video, but just to make sure. I'll also do a little bit more of a detailed explanation of what happened during the cook that you didn't see, also in the description. So let's look towards next week. It should be more of a teaching video, as I've been saying in the past few videos that I just haven't gotten around to doing. But yeah, I think you should expect a couple more teaching videos after this next video as well. And I'm gonna probably shift my focus. By the way, the podcast, I know I've been talking about it, but I haven't really posted anything. I haven't found anybody that really wants to be on it yet, so I'm just gonna start it back up by myself and see where it goes from there. So if you want to be on it, you know, comment, write an email to us at paulygsbarbecue.com or at gmail.com, or find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, send us a DM. More than welcome to have you at any stage in your barbecue career, or if you're even just looking to get into barbecue, hit me up. And I'll see you next week for next week's video.